What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Christmas Dynamike from Brawl Stars. Now I want to begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the bottom edge of the hat. Let's start all the way over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that comes down the middle and we'll just bend that back up towards the right. Let's round up the side of the hat brim, starting on the left, round this out, and then pull that back in towards the top. Now let's connect these 2 points with another curve, coming down the middle, and then back up. Now I'm going to work our way up towards the top of the hat. From these 2 points, we're going to bend this up and in. And then we'll curve the hat coming in and up, leaving a gap in the center. So start on the left. Bring this in and then up. And then we'll close off the top with a curve. Let's draw a circle in behind the tip. We're going to start over on the left, go all the way around, and pull that in on the right side. Now let's go back and draw a large star in the center of the hat. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top, start with a point, bend this out and down toward the left and right side. From the bottom, go out and then down. And we'll bend that back down and then in towards the side. Now I'm going to come down and out towards the edge of the hat brim. And we'll pull this in and up towards the center. Now let's move down and draw on the eyes. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Start on the left, draw one short line coming down. Go to the right, do the same thing. Now angle the eyebrows going up and out towards the left and right side. Let's tuck the eyes in underneath the brow and the hat brim. We'll start from the outside. Go all the way around towards the bottom of the eye and just tuck that up underneath. Let's move to the inside and draw 2 small ovals for the pupils. And we'll fill the pupils in black. Let's move down and draw the tip of the nose. We're going to start over on the left, bend this down and in towards the middle, go out and up towards the right. Now I'm going to step up and add a small curve going up and down for the bridge of the nose. Now just below the nose, we're going to draw a straight angle line from left to right, the top edge of the mouth. Connect the ends with a half circle, going down and then up. Let's add a tooth in the center, coming down, go straight across, and then back up. Now place the edge of the tongue on the right side, curving down towards the middle, and we'll fill the inside of the mouth in black, going around the tooth and the tongue. Let's go out to the side and draw the edge of the beard. On the left, underneath the hat, draw a straight line coming down. Angle this down and in underneath the eyes. And we'll pull that straight in behind the side of the nose. Now I'm going to go back and draw the outside of the beard. From the top left, step out, draw another straight line coming down. And we'll add 4 points along the bottom edge of the beard. Let's start on the left. I'm going to bend this out and then down. We'll bend that down and then in. Let's add 2 more points along the bottom. Starting on the left, come down and bend that in. And we'll come in and up just underneath the mouth in the center. Now I'm going to go back and add the ears on the side of the head. Let's start underneath the hat brim, for the ear going around, Just tuck that in towards the side of the head. And then on the side of the beard, add a fold, going up and out. Now let's move down and draw the side of the body. From this point, we're going to step out, curve the body, coming down and then in towards the hip. We'll line that up on the right. Let's connect the hips with the curve, coming down and then up. Let's go back to the left hip, step up, and draw that same curve to the top of the belt. And we'll leave a gap in the center and draw two lines, one coming down on the left and then one on the right. And we'll trace the inside of the buckle. Let's go back to the center of the buckle, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out, and then down with a short line. And I want to add a thick cuff along the bottom, starting on the inside left, curve around, and then out. And then we'll round out the bottom of the leg, going out, and then up towards the side. Let's round out the outside of the cuff, pulling that back in. And then from the hip, we're going to bend the leg, going out and then down towards the outside of the cuff. Now we're going to go back to the inside, draw the inside of the foot, going out and then down towards the heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, from the heel, come down and then up. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and draw on the top of the foot. We're going to go up. Let's bend this down, aiming towards the heel. Want to leave a gap on the inside. And then from the outside of the cuff, draw a straight angle line coming down and out on top of the feet. Now I'm going to go back up and draw the arm stretched out towards the side, holding two large candy canes. Let's start from this point in the beard, bend the arm coming down and then out on both sides. Let's round out the edge of the arm, come down and then in toward the side. And we'll follow that same curve going up and in behind the side of the body. Let's add a thick cuff around the wrist. From the top, bend this up and then down. Go to the bottom, come down and out. Connect the ends with that same curve on the inside of the cuff. Now let's go back up to the top of the cuff. We're going to wrap the thumb, going up and down. Round out the tip of the thumb and pull that back up. Now we want to layer the candy cane in behind the thumb. Let's start from the top. Just going to angle this up and out. Line this up along the bottom of the thumb and come down towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right. Angle this up and out. Line this up along the bottom. Now you want to round out the top of the cane and pull that back down. And we'll round out the bottom, coming down and then back up. Now we want to work our way around the outside of the cane coming down towards the bottom. So just going to follow that curve. Just trying to even space gap all the way around. And come down the side. Let's close off the bottom with a curve. Let's draw the edge of the mitt on the outside of the cane, going around and then in, and then close off the bottom of the hand in between the cane. Now we're going to add a small star on the tip of the cane. Start right in the middle. Just work our way around the sides. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and add those stripes across the cane. Let's start from the left, angle this down, and in, step up, and just repeat this all the way across the cane. Now let's do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to layer that large bag in behind the body. Let's start underneath the cuff, put this down and in behind the leg. Let's go to the right, do the same thing, and then we'll continue in between the legs. Let's continue the side of the bag above the arms, going up and in behind the head. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Christmas Dynamike from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.